Hello my friends. Today I'm going to be picking for you this guard security lock. If you can see it here, my camera ain't quite working too good today. Try to adjust my light a little bit here for you. Some reason my camera ain't working too good today. Anyways, as you can see, it's a guard security lock. Here's what the keyway looks like. Pretty tiny. I would say this is probably a 20 millimeter, maybe 15. It's kind of small. It's a 4-pin. Here's the bitting looks like on the key. If you can see it there. And here's the pick I'll be using. I don't know what they call this style of pick. Kind of like a rake, but here we go. I'll be using top of the keyway tension. So it's all locked up. And here we go. Of course, that popped out. Very tight little keyway, so it's hard to get in there at the pins. But there we go. Try to do it for you again here real quick on camera. Lock it back up. There we go, we got her again. It's really hard to get the keyways real tight on there. I can't even do bottom tension with my smallest tension wrench because it's so small. But when I put it in the top of the keyway, it works. It gives me enough room, barely. But as you can see, it does work. I do get it in there. I'm able to get a little bit of a picking raking action where I'm actually raking, but I'm also going back and forth and pushing up on the back pins in order to get it to pop. Sometimes a wrench pops out. It's actually a pretty nice solid lock, but it is cheap junk lock. I think I paid like $5 for this when I bought it. I've had it for couple months now or so. Well, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please check out my channel. And please subscribe. And have a great day.